So hello guys, today I will show you how to do a online project of your school or anywhere and without taking any pen, pencil or paper. So let's start that by opening the Play Store, and first you need to download a app that is CS Scanner or Cam Scanner, CAMSCANNER, and I already searched these apps. And now you need to search this option, this app, and press this, see the image, and now you need to install. And this app is not too much, this is only 13 MB. And now press the install button, and I am installing this. Wait, after installing I see this app. Yes, after download this app, this app came to my desktop. And after opening this, first you need to this camera button at the bottom, and see, first I am taking the image of this image, and after taking this you need to crop this image. See, yes, after cropping this image, there are many options. See, magic color, lighten, original, non-shadow, and there are many. And you need to select a image which is better. So I am selecting this magic color. And now again you need to take an image, and here you can take many picture. And after this you need to adjusting all the pictures. Okay, and see, I'm just taking this image, and wait, yes, and now again you need to crop this image, and you can see that this image get automatically cropped. And now again you need to select the image, and see, magic color is very much bright, so I selecting this non-shadow. Okay, and now add here, see, multiple picture, see, and now here you need to go A4 size, see here, and press this, and you can cancel. Sorry, I mistakenly pressed on the okay. And now here you need to crop both pictures. Okay, and see, and you can take many picture, and here the pages will go to second page. Okay, and after that you can press the done button or take a screenshot. See, yes, and if you need to done, then you need to sign in the premium. Okay, but I haven't done this, so I simply take the screenshot. And now go to this button, and you can see the screenshot has came here. And now import this, and now again crop this image. Okay, see, and now next, do it, yes, and now next, and now again you need to select a color. I think this is good, non-shadow. Yes, and save this image here. Yes, and now open this picture and see at here mark option. Press on the mark and press add signature option. Okay, and you can see there I already done this biogas and geothermal energy, but I showing you. And first you need to press this button, see, this add button, and now scan your signature. and I again yes take the image and see, and you need to crop this image. Yes, and go it simply, it's not anything. And now biogas, the uh, heading has been came, or the title, and I need to select the place. See, yes, and now you need to select the color of the title, and you can maintain the thickness of the uh, writing. See, and now I already took the image of geothermal energy, so I am simply press this. See, geothermal energy, and see, I again take the original position, and yes, and now again you can press the save button or take a screenshot, and see, I have took this screenshot, and now you can open in gallery or album. No, it's not. And here screenshot, see, this has come. Okay, and see, I already make many project here in this app. See this. Yes, I after some edit I done this. See, with margins and many, and this is not this is only allotropes of carbon. And now again I am seeing another so see, yes, the another project is, see, it's another type of project, and this you again need to open this, and this is the previous project, and discharge this, and here see, I already took this image. Okay, the two image, see, a writing and a image. Okay, and see, here you go to back, and you need to those picture that you need to uh, edit for your project, and again you need to go to multiple picture, and again A4 size, and now see, these have came, and now you need to crop this image, and that's depend on you, that how you can uh, do the edit. If you do better edit, then your project looks better. Okay, see, and the image has been came, and this writing is too much big, and I need to little small this writing, and now see, yes, and now again you select the original position of this photo, and see, yes, see, and again you can press done or simply take a screenshot. Okay, see at here done or take a screenshot. Yes, and now you can edit this, and you can crop this image. See, I'm cropping this image. Yes, this image has been cropped, and now you save this image, and I'm going to gallery. Yes, gallery, and again go back. Yes, new screenshot. See, this screenshot has been came, and see, and here you can share this at anywhere, at any social media, not social media, at any option. See, and today is this much. And if you get some important tips and tricks, then press the like icon and please subscribe my channel.